Hello, hello, hello. Uh-uh. Michael Okechukwu is number one. Big Marcel is number two. Tosin Oyesomi is number three. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Good morning. It's so good to see you guys today. How are you? How was your weekend? I know the markets are crazy. I know the market. I said I'm active. Hi, guys. So good to see you guys. Yeah, so let me just share my screen. Give me a second. I'm just going to say mommy Gio. what what are you kidding me? Oh, hi Sophia, how are you? Victoria, how are you? Yo, I'm far from that though. Say mommy Gio. Far from that. Let me just announce that we are live. Okay. Yo. Let me just announce on the Telegram channel. Share the link, guys. Share the link as much as you can. Tap on that like button. Yo. Oh my God. All right. We are live, guys. We are live. Share the link. Share the link. Tap that like button. Okay. All right. Great. Welcome. Sophia, hi. Victoria, good morning. Morning. Big Marcel, you're looking for trouble. Michael, good morning. Okuchi, you're welcome. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's get down to business. If you've noticed, I've been dodging gold. I've been dodging gold because but I missed one trade and I did not announce it to the group. I mean, I was so pissed. There was a gap that created on the 15 minutes. I was patiently waiting for gold to come there. I missed that trade. I slept. That trade picked up. Hi, Flourish. Oh my God, that trade picked up. Okay, so meanwhile, Euro GBP is stressing me out. I don't know what's going on. I heard it's slow, but I did not know it was that slow. Forex. So let's see what's with the news today. So I heard Trump is saying something today. May God help us. I heard Trump is saying something today. May God help us. Let's see. Okay, today looks good. No red files, but I mean, if Trump is talking, we still need to be very, very alert. We still need to be very, very alert. Okay, so nothing yet. Okay, we're still in the London session. Let's see. Let's go straight to trading view. All right. So you already know I'm fine. It hits when market closed. Exactly. Okuchi, I love that. I can see some confidence and improvements. Great job. Flourish. My God, I'm fine. No, I'm fine. We bless God. So let's go. Let's get down to business. You know, I like to start with gold. I mean, I'm in love with gold, unapologetically so. So let's just look at gold. We'll look at DXY. We'll look at gold because I want to know what the dollar is doing. Okay, I've been. If you are on my TikTok on Sunday, we were looking at gold. I mean, DXY to that was the gap I was waiting for. This gap here, it just came there in the night and took off. Okay, this is O and A. That's fine. Can use O and A today. All right. Can you see my screen? If you can see my screen and you can hear me and you can see me, please put some fives in the chat box. I'm going to make this bigger. God is giving some self vibes here, but I cannot even fall for it. All right, that's great. So I'm just going to start from the weekly. I don't know if it's showing like this on all brokers, but we'll look at, you know what, we'll look at O and A. Let's go straight to Saxo. Let's go straight to Saxo. It's forex.com. I always look at it. So it's showing on Oanda. That gap is showing on Oanda. It is not showing on forex.com. It's not showing on Saxo. So you see why I don't really send O and A like that. So let's use Saxo. Okay, I'm just going to mark it out. Okay, just see. Trading is not so hard if you don't make it complicated. So don't try to catch the sell. Just be going with the buy. I'm frozen. Am I frozen? Are you sure? Am I frozen? Can anybody still see me? Please put it in the comment section so I know what's going on. Okuchi says I'm frozen. Okay. All right, good. Okuchi then is from your own side. This is the weekly and very nice representation of price here. You can clearly see that beauty here. Beautiful representation of price there. Came into that gap and took off. Like, she's not even wasting time. Let's see the 12-hour. Okay. Anywhere we see break of structure, we just mark it out. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see the 8. Okay, nice representation as well. Came back to that zone. Okay, I hope my is, yeah, so good. Okay, that gap nicely fitted in. Okay, I'm going back to that 6-hour. I'm going back to that 8-hour. Okay, so that was a gap there on the 8-hour time frame. Didn't really calm down much before it took off again. Okay. All right, just bear with me. For I need to focus. So okay. All right. Now let me see the 4-hour. Okay. Now, if you look closely here, on this 4-hour time frame, there was this large, look at that large one. Filled it completely and took off. This is the 4-hour time frame. So this is an imbalance, a serious imbalance. Okay, let's look at it on the 2-hour. And that's what's happening right now. Okay. If we modify it, that's what happened on the 2-hour. It came back there and took off. All right. And I'm sure a lot of people are like, oh, it doesn't look like this in my broker. That's because you need to keep trying different brokers. So right now, gold is on the move. I'm not expecting it to pull back. Please don't look for sales. Please don't look for sales. Okay. Do not look for sales. Since we didn't catch it here, we're going to just look for how to continue until gold decides to turn on us. Okay, that's why SLs are inevitable in the market, because it gives you the next move. Okay, so we're going to keep watching. Now this is the 1-hour time frame. Let's look at 30. Now that was a beautiful entry here as well. I'm going to reduce this one. Or hold on, let me just, yeah, I'm going to reduce it. Let's see, back to the 1 hour, the 30 minutes. Yes, now I want you to guys to look at this. This was a beautiful representation right here. Okay, sweep of liquidity to the downside. Okay, change of character to this side. Okay, tapped nicely into this other block here. All right, let's look at it on the 15 so you can clearly see. Now on the 15 you can even see that, okay, that's it right there. Let's pull it all the way. Or this is the gap. There's a gap here. There's a gap. So you see different POIs. There's a gap here. All right. This was pure heads and shoulders. I missed it. I even saw the heads and shoulders, but I could. Oh God. I mean, this was this was a sniper entry. There was no reason if I were awake to miss this, but I missed it. It's okay. We move on. Life continues. It pained me, Sha. It pained me. Now that was the entry. And now what do you think is happening? So this is a scary thing. I don't like people to simply it's obvious that it has started accumulating liquidity. It's creating a liquidity pool right here. Okay, instead of just going up now, she's creating a liquidity pool right there. So if you want to join this, you'll be looking for structure within this to get in for a buy. I'm not going to advise you in this life to go for a sell. Okay, but mind you, okay, remember this is a change of character. After that impulse move to the upside, it just came in back right here. Let me show you. So after this move, after that move, you can clearly see it didn't pull back. So people will be expecting, but right now gold is not respecting that. Gold will not come back as we want. I would love to see gold pull back here into this zone, but she won't. Look at, she could just take off from that zone there and just kick out of this consolidation. But let's see, let's be patient, let's see what happened. Okay, let's see what happens with that. So this was a nice representation of heads and shoulders. Give me a second, let me see something. That was the move. Okay, that was the move. Okay, so you see, you expect it to pull back, but no, she doesn't pull back. She doesn't. But I want to check something. Give me a second, guys. I want to use my feed to really see what's going on here. Okay. Oh, nice entry right there. Yeah. So normally I'll be waiting for it to come back into this zone. All right. Here, right here, which she might not. She could just take off from there. I would love to see her come back into that zone right there. Okay. Which she might not. So, or come back into this zone right here. But I know this 5061 we hold because the liquidity is right above there. So they always say the POI right after the liquidity is swept. So yeah, this zone looks nice to continue the buy. However, don't expect it to happen as well. Just brace yourself for the worst. Okay, brace yourself for the worst. Yeah. All right. So right now she's giving us like an ascending would you call it wedge or flag or whatever, but she's maintaining a channel. All right. So let's see what we can even find inside this channel, because I mean any opportunity is an opportunity. So I'm seeing structure in the channel, and that is why I'm looking at it. I'm seeing structure in the channel, and that is why I'm looking at it. No, what I'm doing now is not for newbies. So newbies, just calm down. Look at that beautiful representation in there. Okay. Who can see what I'm doing? I expect Okuchi. I expect Big Marcel. I expect Flourish. I expect Michael to understand what I'm doing here. Who can see what I'm saying? I'm not hearing from anybody. Chine, how are you? They were active. Can you see what I'm? That's not the question. Big Marcel, can you see what I'm seeing inside that consolidation right there? Beautiful, beautiful. And clearly, what happened? The market tapped into that gap, Abi. You are seeing, so you see, when good FVG, you're seeing that when you are used to structure, even in consolidations like this, beautiful. Even in consolidations like this, you can see where to enter. Say you will still find something. You will still find something. You see. Now, anybody that tapped in here should be in profit. At least how many pips? That is from 73 to 85. That's about 105 pips. 105, over 100 pips. Okay. Yeah, over 100 pips. Is it 105, 150? So yeah, if this person that entered here, so but I'm looking at this zone and it just tapped anyways. I want to see it come down more. It might not, it might, but this is what this person is going to be catching here. If I were this person, okay, although this is a large one, okay, to be catching these moves inside. All right, just to be catching these moves inside. It already tapped, so I would have still missed this trade because I'll be waiting in 50% of the gap to take that trade, but I would have still missed it because this one just came and tapped into that gap. Okay, so yeah, right now it's creating a channel. It's creating a channel. Um, yo, this trade has already left us. We would have gotten in on this gap and then taking it all the way to the top because she's going up right now. She's going up right now. And I know, please don't jump into this trade. I take God beg you. Don't jump into this trade. This trade has already left. Please don't jump into this trade. But you can clearly, I'm just teaching you something here. You're here to learn. Aside taking trades, we are here to learn. So I'm showing you how you can find structure inside a range. Okay, I'm teaching you how to find structure in a range, and now she's all the way to the top. I expect that she's going to give us to this to the end of this parallel channel. All right, don't Sophia, don't jump in. Don't you are laughing now. Don't. Okay, this one, Sophia is laughing. She has entered this trade. She has entered buy. I don't know what I will do to these people, traders. So I'm expecting this to hit 5103. I'm looking to see it reach there. Yeah, so it obviously just came in there and she's on her way. She's on her way. Okay, she's on her way. Thanks to this imbalance. If this imbalance wasn't there, she would have come to the end of the channel. All right. Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you for not jumping in, my love. Thank you. So we're going to just watch how this plays out, but please don't look for sales. I know some people are looking for sales, like Miles. If he is here, I'm sure he's looking for sales. Please don't look for sales. There's no need. Don't try it at home. Okay. So this is what I see for gold. Okay. Right now, so it's either she comes back, sweeps all that liquidity here, and then taps into this zone. Okay, or you join the parallel channel and take the risk, and join and do whatever. So this is what I see for gold. Please don't jump in. Yes, she took off from this place, so we move. Let's see. US oil. Do you know US oil is still selling, guys? Not this one, not that one. Yeah, see, I looked at it and I saw that the thing was going for the extreme zone. Let's see whether we can even join this cell like this. This is the 1 hour. Let's see. US oil, I've been watching it and selling it, but I lost track. The last one I made it, that wasn't the right chart actually. Okay, so let's see. US oil looks good. Okay. I want to see it come up all the way here. This zone will be nice. See how it looks on the 30 minutes. Yeah, that zone will be real nice. So yeah, if we can get in on that one, that would be real nice. That would be really nice. Let me see how it looks on the 1 hour. So it looks on the 4. Yeah, I want to see it come back here. Let's bring it down, entry down a bit. Just to catch it before it goes too far. Okay. 1:6 is fine. Clear that liquidity below. We wait. So let's see. That's for US oil. I've been watching it. I sent the wrong chart because I was wondering, did he actually hit SL? I mean break even, not SL, break even. We broke even on that. So yeah, I'm looking at this one. Let it come up a bit. Yeah. I want to see that play out. So that's for US oil. Somebody said, how volatile is it? Oh, it's the same. See, let me tell you. Once you understand price action structure, you can and candles, you can trade anything. Yeah, but I like US oil because good morning, Baba Nama. How are you? If she's on her way, let's follow her. Flourish. Don't mind Flourish, oh, please. Everybody, don't mind Flourish. Yeah, so as I was saying, yeah, it's actually volatile, especially with what's going on here. I mean, I love you wouldn't expect it. You can't really predict US oil. You can't. But yeah, sometimes she's just extra volatile. Okay, sometimes she's just extra volatile. All right, especially with what's going on with Venezuela now. But we've been selling I've been selling US oil since even last year. Yeah, I've been selling US oil since last year. So mind this. I want us to catch this move. I want us to catch that move. Looking at this. Yeah, let me see this. Let me measure that pullback. Measure that pullback. I don't know. I think I should wait for it to come up around this zone because looking at that, let's see. Yes, after that, pulled back, not good enough. So, okay, let's adjust it to come up to the, yeah, let's adjust it. Let's see, hold up, because I'm seeing it needs to sweep liquidity into this zone here. Yeah, this zone looks good. So let's see how this plays out. Okay, I'll just be dropping the idea. But that zone, be watchful of that zone. If you can take an entry here as well, just that I like to see it sweep liquidity, which happens to be all of this here. All right. Okay, which is all of this here, or just put it this way. Okay, so I want to see it sweep that liquidity and get in. All right. No, it's just it's like every other pair. Yeah, it's actually quite volatile. I mean, when I used to use XNES, I liked trading US oil on XNES. It was bad. It was as bad as gold. Like with 0.01, you could make a lot of money with US oil. Okay. So this is what I'm looking at. I want to see it actually come up here, sweep that liquidity. And I'm hoping that let me see this zone here. Okay, no, 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 no. Let's watch and see. So that's for US oil. Let's see what gold is doing. Okay, so that's gold. Sorry, guys. Let me just open another. There's a way Trading View did this thing. Before, it was so easy to just open different assets from one page. Okay, give me a second. Let's look at another thing. Let's look at DXY. Don't jump in, oh, just leave this one to pass. We'll catch it again. We'll catch it. I promise you. Leave this one to pass. We'll catch it again. Please don't. Okay, so this is DXY. Okay, so we want to see what DXY is doing. Then we look at USD pairs because I like to trade USD pairs, the major pairs a lot. Okay, I like to trade major pairs a lot. So hold up. I'm just going to look at the monthly. So apparently, if you look at this, DXY has been dropping since 1985. So, Julius, how are you? It's been dropping since 1985, and you can clearly see, the downtrend happening. Um, so right now, that was the next zone to continue to sell, and it reacted nicely. So let's go to the weekly and watch from here. You see me going closer to the market. As I'm analyzing, I'm going closer to the market. I'm not staying there. Okay, so this was the next move, and clearly it pulled back nicely as well, dropped again. So you can see I put my BOS right there. Okay, right there. Now we need to see it pull back again into this zone or this zone. So yeah, I was expecting the DXY to start rising to continue the sell. All right, to start rising to continue the sell. But what's happening is what I don't understand. Let's look at the daily. So yes, after that drop here, we can clearly see that it looked like it wants to turn around, a bit of reversal, so that it can continue into the next sell zone. But you can see it's the indecision there is crazy. Let's look at it small, small. Well, so this was the zone where I was expecting DXY to push up from. Okay, I was expecting DXY to push up from here, but you can clearly see it doesn't make sense what DXY is doing right now. I don't like how it looks. Let's see the 8 hour. Okay, it even created more gap and went lower. It went lower, and right now it looks like it's consolidating here. See the 4 hour. So this is the thing we are watching here. Or is this nonsense we are seeing here? Created a gap, pushed down lower, and since then it's not doing anything that makes sense, to be honest. So they say Trump is talking today, although I can't see it on Forex Factory news. I mean, you should be versatile, listening to the news from every angle. Okay, so I don't, although I didn't see it in the factory, in the Forex Factory. Yeah, something is about to happen. Okay, so looking at this structure here, yes, there's a big ass gap here, and looking like she wants to, she just did that, swept this liquidity right here. So DXY, remember, we're just trying to see what she's up to. Okay, but she hasn't broken this high, so right now we're just watching. Let's see the 1 hour. Okay. Um, I haven't seen any reason to guarantee that the DXY is about to push up. No, no, nah, it looks more like a consolidation right there. Sorry, that's not the right one. Right there. Okay. Broke out, got in again, is moving up. Let's see, it's dumping again. So it's consolidating right now, if you ask me. More like a consolidation. The only time I'm sure she's ready to push up is if this high is taken out. Okay. If this high is taken out. But so far, so good. DXY is ranging. Flourish says, we are tired of that uncle. Oh. We are tired of that uncle. I don't know. As in, we are really tired of that G. I don't know what he wants to do to America, really. So right now, DXY is consolidating. She hasn't broken this high. She broke out below. Okay, broke out below, took off, but hasn't been able to break the high. Okay, if like they say, if it breaks below, some people will say break out and retest, but really SMC will say wait for it to break. Okay, change of character. I mean, people that are buying DXY right now, but it has hit this zone, this resistance zone, and is dumping again. So the consolidation is still on until she breaks out again out of this consolidation, out of this place. Then I can clearly see sweep of liquidity to the downside, break of structure to the upside. Then we know that DXY is ready to push. Now, if DXY is ready to push or is pushing, USD will push up, Euro USD will go down, GU will go down. Anything with the USD, we just act accordingly. So right now we are not sure what it's actually it's playing around a buy zone, but she's not ready to move yet. Okay, she's not ready to move yet. Like, what's that US oil doing? Let me see. Hold up. Was it the TVC? Not sure. Okay, yeah, that's it. Why do I have the feeling this thing will drop from here? Why do I have that feeling? Okay. Okay, so the next one, okay, DXY, let's look at GJ or UJ. Yeah, we cleared EJ, UJ, one of them. One of them. Let's look at GJ. Okay, let's look at GJ. Then we can throw it out for anybody that really wants us to look at something. And then we'll look at BTC. Yeah, look at that beauty. Typical. Typical, typical. Alright. All right. So GJ, yes. Let's look at the monthly. Are you still with me, guys? Don't enter. Leave her. Let her to finish it. Just leave it. We missed it. Don't. It's paining me, but just leave G. Let's leave go to do what she wants to do. Okay. Don't enter the bio. I was announcing since. Please just calm down. There'll be many more opportunities. Okay. So this is the monthly on GJ. Okay. I heard that the US Fed want to buy yen. That's because they need it to strengthen. They need to strengthen the currency. I don't understand how that works, but I think I saw it somewhere that when they want to cross something, they buy yen. I'm going to check up on that. I'm not a finance advisor, but I try to understand what's going on. This forex has made me to be a finance person by force. So okay, that was the last break of structure to the downside. Without further ado, you want to see the market come up to a premium zone to give you a new low. So I have two premium zones where I wait. If it doesn't happen at 61.50, I'm waiting for it at the 88.78 right there. And so far so good. GJ is still on the way to that zone. So I'm just watching. Okay. I'll just go to the weekly now to concentrate on what's happening. Okay. Steady climb to the upside. Daily. Ooh, look at that. So the market tapped into this place on the daily. That's like a daily gap. Okay. Tapped into 50% of the gap and it's moving up. So let's see. Follow it. I don't like how this is looking though. I really don't like how it's looking. Okay. Let's see the 8 hour. Yo. I'm modifying, guys. I'm just modifying it. Okay. Oh, this gap that happened here is a problem. Oh, I'll look at it in another broker. This is the 4 hour. Let's see how it looks like in another broker. Let's use O and A. Same thing. All right. This one looks better. This is forex.com. Yeah. Forex.com looks better. Okay. Forex.com looks better. Now that's the 4 hour time frame. Okay. Why is this giving a sell vibe? It's giving a sell vibe. It's giving a sell vibe. Yeah, but let's just keep going. It's giving a sell vibe, but let's just keep going. That was a nice breakout to the upside. All right. And now it broke down again to the downside. Now, you want to be seeing it selling. Okay. I would love to sell, but we know that it's taking off from our buy zone right there. See how complicated this thing is looking. Shaki. Just wants to stress me like this. I'm just seeing something here. Okay. So I'm zooming into the market. Yeah, if I'm going to be selling, let me show you what I'll be doing. If I'm going to be selling, let's use this one. Okay, reacting nicely to the 38. I want to see it come into this zone, this area here. Okay. Or come into this zone here. So if you're going to be taking this buy from this buy zone, be careful about these zones. All right. I would love to see the JPY basket, but there's no time. I want to listen to my audience. We'll look at US 30. So yeah, it's actually reacting to that other block there. I'd love to see it take this all out to join the buy to the next zone. Yeah, I would love to see that happen. Come back into this zone. Yeah, this zone looks so good. Yeah, I would love to see her take out all that into this zone right here. Okay. All right. So that's what I see. All right. Yes. So Juliet Chi, yes, is DJ, is them, oh, na them. This is GJ. This is GJ. So currently it's selling from this other block. Okay. I want to see it take all this out. Okay, and come back into this zone. Na them, oh, na them. Flourish, I am long on GER 40. Do you trade that? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I trade GER 30. Once I see, we'll look at that in a bit. Let's see who came in first, because Flourish is my guest. Michael Okechukwu, Big Marcel, and Tosin. What are your pairs? What pairs do you want to look at? What are your pairs? Okay. What are your pairs, guys? Let's hurry. Let's hurry. US 30. All right, let's look at US 30. Yeah, so I dropped it for my VIPs. I dropped it for my VIPs. Was it on Friday? Yes. Yeah, almost at TP. Why you should join my VIP? That's why you should join my, and it's free. Oh, just use my broker. The broker I'm working with is free. They are chopping those that got in. But Big Marcel, your head is too big. You have coconut head, so that's your US 30. So let's do GAR 30 for my guests. That's your US 30 there. Don't vex, yeah? Mm, yeah, US 30 is still on her way to TP. So maybe you can see how you can join a buy. Because I want her to take this, come to this zone here. So see how you can join buy. Mm? So let's see GER 30. It's been a while I traded GER 30. Let's do it together. Flourish, are you with me? I'm already annoyed. I'm already annoyed. Yo, what is this structure? Hey, God, I beg. It's been on an uptrend since I've known GAR 20. I'll be 30. Which kind problem? This one a problem. It's obviously ranging though. Just broke out of that range. Broke out of the top of that range. Tapped back into there. Um, so let's see. So we're going to look for structure in the range. Okay. Okay. So we can look for us now peace to the falling. Who is falling? Nobody is falling here. Your head is coconut head now. Stay there now. I dropped it for them on Friday. So yeah, so there is what I'm seeing here is it broke out the top. Yeah, it broke out the top. So if you ask me, so what I'm seeing is an uptrend in this structure, but it has broken in again and broken out again. If it had broken in and stayed in, I'll be looking for how to sell into the zone. But right now, let's see something. Let's see 12. Let's just okay, 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 okay. Mm-hmm. This is the 8 hour. So it broke out of the consolidation though, came back, tapped into it. I'm expecting it to move up or come down from here. So let's just keep going. I'm looking for structure in this really. Uh, there you go. There you go. There you go. So since it broke out and came back and gave us this beautiful structure here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that was a big ass gap. And it tried to tap into the 50%. Yeah. So took off from there, gave us a new high. Let's see how the 2 hour looks like. Yo, why does I said why does I Jesus? Why does it look like what does that look like? It's already on its way. Mm-hmm. Okay. Stay with me, guys. Stay with me. Yeah, it looks like she moving already. Yeah, that zone. Yeah, that zone. Now I'm looking at it on the 30. Yeah, that zone looks good. Let's see. So I would love to see it pull up from here up to the next zone, which is ooh, where where is the zone? Is it all the way up? I thought we marked a zone above. Okay, we did not. Okay, so this is what I see. The market broke out, consolidated here. Okay, broke below, has broken above. I'm looking for a buy really. I'm looking for a buy. So this zone looks good for a buy. It looks very good for a buy. The 6150 zone. The buy just started. Okay. Yeah, I want to see her take out the next high. Okay. That's what I want to see. Oh, be careful. Take out this zone here. It's just a what I'm saying is like a 1:2 kind of trade. Okay. That's what I see. That's what I see, like a 1:2 kind of trade. Flourish. Is this still okay? Do you see what I'm seeing? I want to see it take out the next high, to be honest. Okay, Flourish, is that good enough for you? Are you still here with me? All right, that's what I see for GAR30. Oh, GJ. Oh my goodness, where's GJ? Where's GJ? GJ. Ooh, what's going on? What's go? Wait, guys, chill. What's that momentum? What just happened? Yo, yo, let me get in on that trade. We're in profit. Ah! Just go, just keep going on. Oh my goodness. This thing wants to leave me, Sha. Do you know I'm here looking for GJ to enter since God, I beg. Oh. It's gone. But for those that could get in, nice try. Oh my goodness. We're in profit, guys. Okay. Please. Please, please. Yo, this momentum is mad though. Enough for anybody to be really scared. Honestly. I'll take it in my Profem accounts. Let's see. GBBG. Okay. It came back to entry, guys. No reason you shouldn't take that buy now. I'm in the buy. So let's see. Just set your SL and relax. Just set your SL and relax. I'm in that buy now. Yeah, I got in. I got in. So let's see. We're in profit. We're in profit. Let's go. Yeah. Profit, guys. So let's see how it goes. Hey, what happened to Japanese yen for God's sakes? Woo, that was mad. I mean, imagine if we are taking that sell from this other block. Yo. Okay, guys. Looks like we'll call it a day. Looks like we'll call it a day. I'll be dropping. Oh my, I love that rejection. This rejection is sweet. Please be nice. Please be nice. Okay, I've set my SL. Okay. Say GJ the dragon. God help us. Yeah, GJs. Let's see what this has in store. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I'm holding that trade. Okay, let's see how it goes. Um, it's come. Yeah, it's too early, say. I need to see it come up a bit. That's not a good enough premium zone. I want to see it come up for a sell. Really, I need to see it come up more for the major sell. Mm. Okay, so we are in that. We're in that trade. Let's see our US oil. Not yet. Let's see our D. Our gold really pushed up more. It really did. Our gold really pushed up more. Uh GR30. That's what I have for GR30. Uh so GJ. All right, I have to go now. Tell who is in this trade with me? Who is in this trade with me? Let me know how many chickens are here. Who is in this trade with me? Let me see you. Who is in this trade with me? Nobody? Joy Soft Life. I can't believe you're the one asking me this question. So nobody, wait. So so all this talk I'm talking here, nobody entered this trade. You chickened out. Ah. Eh? Wait, so I just wasted my time here. Bye bye. I love you guys. See you guys next week. Mwah. Is it wait? Let me check the time. Yeah. Bye bye for now. Shame on you. Shame. Shame.